my dear senior colleagues, as well as my dear beloved students, good evening to all. Okay, so in this meet, that is regional meet, our JNV Pedapuram has given a good hospitality for the SCOS teachers, students, all staff members. I was fully impressed by their hospitality, like water and batting arrangement and food arrangements and each and everything, every angle, every aspect. I was fully satisfied by their service. So totally, what I want to say here, the coordination of all staff members, it was has become a very success, big success, not only normal, big success, because of in this people, lot of students want to provide the service, this type of facilities. It's not a ordinary matter, it's not a normal matter. So it would be behind that more risk is there, but they have taken that risk and they had happily, with joyful, they had provided this all facilities. That is why I want to them say grateful thanks to them. Those are involved in this group of members, their effort behind that. I want to say once again great thanks to them on behalf of Yanam and JNV cluster. JNV cluster, I have come from the JNV cluster and Yanam.
Thank you, Mukkanti Garu, for your valuable words about the activities what we have taken up last 3 days, and I request some more expressions. I request some more staff members, please. Please, sir. Barri, helri.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఆల్. Really, in my 8-year experience in JNV, in different JNVs, so in 8-year experience, this is my second regional meet. From we could not get the words how we can express about your hospitality, especially the girls, the scout and guides girls and NCC girls. Really, the each and when we are during lunch time, during dinner, during breakfast, they have taken care very well, and especially the discipline. ఈ స్కూల్లో డిసిప్లిన్ ఈ స్కూల్లో బాగా ఉంది. Really, we like discipline. And the second thing, though we are the bigger cluster, we are the first arrived team in this campus. So first time, all the teachers, they are giving us the instructions. So as per instruction, almost all the teams, all the clusters, they have successfully, they have stayed here, and this is one of the memorable moment for all the students as well as extra teachers. So I thank you to all the staff, especially principal madam and all the teachers and special students. I requesting you to all the students, please you have to clap to the NCC student as well as guide students, because we have seen in many schools students are escaping from duty, but here the students, they have done duty from bottom of the heart. That is one of the good thing. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you, Vivek Garu, for your kind words about our students as well as our staff members and entire Vidyalaya. Really, we have taken it as a challenge. It's not a one-man show. It is a show of all the staff members, starting from top to bottom, and also the children. ये एक आदमी का हार्ड वर्क नहीं है, और टीचर्स और सब स्टूडेंट्स का सबका काम है ये. सो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Now, any others?